Hello everyone. So in my first video we are done with the introduction to regular expressions, and now in the second video we will talk about some predefined character classes. So here I'm using the previous data only, previous video data only, that is import re as it is only, and data are also same starting from this point till here. It is everything is same only. And we know in Python using triple single quotation, we can give the comment. Okay, so this part is actually in comment, and we are going to execute this thing one by one. First of all, dot, then slash d, capital D, small s, capital S, small w, and capital W. In this video, we will check. And what we are going to check is we are going to check everything actually. We will print I, that will give you all these things: starting index number, ending index number, in that proper formatting. Start will give you only starting index, end will give you only ending index number, and group will give you the exact match, what exactly you are matching. Suppose if it is only dot, and we have to use raw string r before that, so only it means any character may or may not match the line terminators. Control S F5. See, it will print all the characters, everything. It is printing. So, see here, it is printing everything. This is nothing but meaning of print I, starting index, ending index, and what exactly it is matching, that will print over here. Okay, so same way the next is slash D. So we will go here only and we will change. Otherwise, the code will remain same only. So slash D is nothing but it is used to print only a digit. So in this data, wherever digits are there, it will print digits. So let's check the output of this. Control S F5. So many digits, and we are getting the answer: starting index number, ending index number, particular digit. Same way capital D. Now Control S F1. So this will print only the characters, not the digits. Okay. And same way starting index, ending index, and obviously the what it is actually matching. Okay. So that will also it will print space, including space also, next line, everything. Then we have a small s. Okay. Small s is nothing but white space characters. So again here you all can see many white spaces are there, so it will print that white spaces. Then obviously non-white space, so capital S, Control S F5. So again non-white space, this means there is, if no space other than that, everything it will print everything other than space. So it is printing. Okay, done. Then small w, a word character, Control S F5. So it is printing words. Okay, so you can see here it is printing everything starting from top. See here it is printing everything. Okay, all the characters and everything. Then next is non-word character, so capital W. So non-word, it means your this brackets, or you can say that asterisk sign, space, dots, colon, slash n. These are non-word characters. So these are all about predefined character classes. Our code will remain as it is, only you have to change only this much thing. So in my next video, we will start with the probably quantifiers. Then we have a regular expression methods, different methods like match function and all that things. So that we will cover in my next videos. Thank you everyone.